Dear viewers, welcome to BRG News once again. California-based family who missed going to Disneyland builds roller coaster in their backyard due to the coronavirus pandemic. They started building roller coaster in the end of March and completed it in July. A California-based family who missed going to Disneyland amid the coronavirus pandemic passed the time during lockdown by building their very own version of the Matterhorn roller coaster in their backyard. Brothers Sean and Michael LaRochelle created the replica of their favorite ride outside their home in Napa after theme parks shuttered nationwide due to the pandemic. Sean said that he started building the roller coaster at the end of March and completed it in July. According to reports, the roller coaster is about 20 feet tall with a 400 feet long track. Sean said that his ongoing architecture studies came in handy. However, he added that his brother Michael was the mechanical genius behind the unique lockdown project. Hong Kong's first socially distant outdoor entertainment park was opened for public on October 10, Tuesday. It was an attempt by entertainment industry to adjust to coronavirus pandemic. Hong Kong's first socially distanced outdoor entertainment park opened its door to the public on Tuesday in an attempt by the entertainment industry to adjust to the coronavirus pandemic. The park, called The Grounds, has 100 socially distanced enclosed areas spaced 1.5 meters, about 5 feet, apart that seat 2 to 4 people. Visitors can enjoy a variety of entertainment programs, including live performances and an outdoor cinema. On Tuesday, groups of viewers gathered for an outdoor screening of the Steven Spielberg movie, Jaws, a 1975 classic about a great white shark terrifying a beach community. The coronavirus pandemic has been a challenging time for the entertainment industry. According to Simon Wilson, managing director of The Grounds, he said, "We had to really rethink about and be creative about a solution we can find to address the challenges of COVID-19. We have to reinvent, reiterate, and rejuvenate the events industry with clever concepts that can deliver safe entertainment for consumers to enjoy." The outdoor park, which is scheduled to operate for just 2 months, has implemented health measures including online pre-registration, health declarations, temperature checks, mandatory face masks, and hand sanitizers at each entry and exit point. Chhattisgarh-based potter designed an earthen lamp that can burn an entire day. The idea of sculpting such a lamp came after watching the YouTube video. A Chhattisgarh-based potter has designed an earthen lamp that can burn for an entire day. Ashok Chakradhari, who lives in a small village named Kondagaon in Bastar district, has been flooded with orders for the lamp ahead of Diwali. The potter has been trending on social media for reviving traditional lamps that can burn continuously for 24 to 40 hours. The flow of oil is circulated automatically in the lamps made by Mr. Chakradhari. The lamps, which have been labeled magic lamps, feature a diya, a dome-shaped reservoir to hold the oil, and a tube-like structure to hold the reservoir over the lamp's base. The idea of sculpting a lamp that can burn for hours came to Mr. Chakradhari after watching a video on YouTube. He said, "I am always on the lookout for new ideas that can challenge my pottery skills and be a useful innovation for those around me." He is a 62-year-old man. In 2019, before Diwali, he was looking for a new design to sculpt diyas. That is when he stumbled upon a lamp that carries a reservoir of oil over it and keeps refilling the base to ensure the diya does not stop burning. He said he found it interesting and decided to make that. He told the technique to make the earthen lamp was perfected after watching several videos online. Before going any further, let's take a break. Welcome back once again after the break. Few months back, a bright yellow turtle was found in Orissa. Now, after months, the same kind of yellow turtle was rescued from a pond in West Bengal. A yellow turtle was rescued from a pond in West Bengal on Tuesday. This makes it the second time this year that a rare yellow turtle has been spotted in India. One was also found in the state of Odisha back in July. Indian Forest Service officer Debashish Sharma took pictures of the turtle with its bright yellow shell. According to him, the turtle was found in a pond in Burdwan and rescued. He attributed its rare coloring to some genetic mutation or congenital disorder due to absence of tyrosine pigment. Pictures of the yellow turtle have been widely circulated on the microblogging platform, where they have generated huge interest. This is the second incident in the recent past when yellow flapshell turtle has been found. Before this, one yellow flapshell turtle was found in Balasore, Odisha. A video is going viral on social media where you can see dog enjoying snowboarding. In the video, you can see dog sitting on the board and sliding down the snow. If you love dogs, we are sure you will enjoy this video that has gone viral on social media after being made available online hours ago. In the viral video, a dog walked along a snow-capped mountain with a plastic snowboard in his mouth. It appears that he might have borrowed it from one of the tourists. As soon as he arrived at a height on the mountain, he sat on the board and slid down the snow. The short clip has collected thousands of likes and has been viewed almost 10,000 times in a few hours. In the comment section, people gushed over the video. That's all for today's news. We BRG News team assures to keep you updated. Till then, stay safe.